In this video, we are going to learn about how to send money using WhatsApp Pay on Android app. Open the WhatsApp app and click on 3 vertical dots on the top right corner. Now select Payments, which is the fifth option. A new user interface will be opened here. On the top of the screen, users can see their name, UPI ID, and at the bottom, they can see their bank details with new payment option. Tap on new payment option here. Now the first option is send to a UPI ID. This is the most common method used. The second method is scan QR code and then list of contact numbers. Users can choose any method they want. In this case, I am choosing send to a UPI ID method. Now I am entering the UPI ID and clicking on verify button. In the newly opened user interface, enter the amount you want to transfer and then click on send arrow button. To finish the payment process on WhatsApp, users need to enter the UPI PIN. The transaction will be processed. After finishing the transaction, users will get a confirmation message. They will see payment details and a message heading in a green color called completed, and receivers UPI ID, user bank details, transaction ID, etc. Users can also view the transaction in the account payment history. So this was the quick introduction on how to send money using WhatsApp payment UPI ID method. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.